Hey, what's up, guys? I know I've been slacking real hard with the videos. I've been meaning to make one, and so I'm finally just getting around to it now. So things were going good for me for a while, and then I had like a total setback that I want to talk to you guys about. I heard it would be possibly a good idea to go to the chiropractor, and now this was more of a corporate joint, so I don't want to take away from smaller family practices that are more concerned about healing you and getting you back to like a good state of health. But it seemed like these corporate places are more into just getting your membership, getting you to sign up, and taking your money basically. Now, I want to say I went in there for my initial assessment and I made it like very clear about my costo, the condition that I was dealing with, what it was, and I mentioned Steve August. I mentioned all the videos that he made. They did absolutely no research, no background. They didn't even watch any of his videos. They just went ahead and gave me the adjustments. Now, after my first adjustment, I came home and I felt really good afterwards, and I slept amazing. I slept probably better than I had slept in months. And same thing after the second one. But after the second one, I got two in a row. I had just a total, probably one of the worst flare-ups I've ever had in my life. Just like all down my chest, wall, like by my sternum and everything. Just like a not burning, just like a very sharp, just like very agitated and really sharp pain. Probably like a 9 out of 10. Like it was just killing me. Even to move my shoulders, like it was just like it was killing me. So I took a couple weeks off of the gym, and it took a while to even like rehab it and like just have the flaring go down, and it was brutal. So I got on the old email. I talked to Steve August, and he basically said he's like, yeah, don't get any adjustments by anyone until they're educated about your condition. And he said there's a way that they can go about your adjustment that is less traumatic for the rib joints. So the way they do it conventionally can be really traumatic if you have costochondritis, which I mean I really wasn't sure of that, but I tried to. You would think if I told them about it, they'd be able to figure it out and you know do it a better way of adjusting, but apparently not because it was an awful experience, and it took weeks and weeks to I had to rest and take time off the gym and try to get back at it, and that was quite a few months ago, and I've rehabbed again pretty well. I haven't gone back to the chiropractor. I didn't even go back for my last adjustment because it was so painful that I don't think the benefits are worth the risk for the flare ups at this point. I will say the pros to getting the adjustments. I definitely slept like amazing. I had awesome dreams, and I have no doubt that chiropractor it's probably good for you to get adjustments. But I think since we have this condition, unless they're willing to work around it and they're educated about it, I would be very cautious when going to a chiropractor to get adjusted. Um, my buddy swears by them, and I like I said, I had a good experience, and if it wasn't for that traumatic, the feeling in my chest, then I would definitely recommend them. But if you have costochondritis, I would advise against chiropractors unless they're extremely, you know, open to being educated on your situation and have the right plan of care to go about getting around the costochondritis without hurting you. Because what's the point of trying to get adjusted so that you're healthier and feel better if you're just going to have like insane like pains all the time and have setbacks? You don't want that. So I just want to give you the guys that little update. The only flare-ups I've had ever since then, I kind of took it easy in the gym. I took a couple weeks off and just kind of went back at it a little easier. Now I'm back lifting heavier again. And the only flare-ups I've gotten was maybe if I've increased my weight on the squats. Once again with the squats, having the barbell on my back, I think a couple days later I start getting like a little bit of flaring up, but it hasn't been anything too bad. Nothing as bad as the chiropractor. So if you guys are considering it, or if you guys have had personal experiences with the chiropractor and you have costochondritis and maybe a certain type of adjustment helped you, or maybe you had a similar situation where it flared up more. Either way, let me know in the comments section. Let me know if you're considering a chiropractor, if you've gotten it, and let me know how you guys have reacted to it. I'm gonna try to start making some more videos for you guys because I know I've been slacking lately. But it's good to make one and touch base with you guys. So go ahead and comment and like things. If you want to subscribe, that's cool. If you're new, welcome to our little Costo community that we got going. And I look forward to hearing from you guys. Take it easy.